Yo, what is up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to make player movement in Unity 3D. So first, what you wanna do is make a capsule, which is 3D objects, and then capsule. Um, add a add a collider will spawn with it, and then add a rigid body which will handle the physics and freeze or rotation on that. Then under that, just click on the player object, add a camera, like there's nothing changed, and then again click on it, add an empty game object called a ground check, add nothing on that. And then what you wanna do is drag it right under your player where the feet of your player would be, and then you can add a cube because cubes are cool. And then for the floor, I just added a cube, scaled it up 100 on the X and 100 on the Z. And very important, um, on the cube, go to layers over here, and then say add a layer like this, and then over here write floor or whatever you want to name it. Will help in the script, and then so make a script, name it player movement or whatever you want, and then open it up in Visual Studio or your text editor of choice. So private vector 3 move input. Nameplates are default. Private vector 3 move input, then private vector 2 look input. By the way, um the script will be available to copy in the description, and I will make a Discord to download my future scripts I make. So public float speed equals 5, and then jumpforce 5, public rigid body RB that references the rigid body, and we are gonna drag that into the inspector because it is public. Then public float sensitivity, and then tr transform playercam, LayerMask floor. So that's the floor we made on the ground object. Then public transform feet, that was a ground check object. So onto the update, move input equals move vector 3 Input.GetAxis horizontal. Our horizontal is a built-in feature. Let me show you. So here it gives a value 0 and 1. If you press A, the value turns to 1, moves it left, and if you put D, it moves right. Same with the vertical with W and S, and the mouse Y and the mouse X. If you write this in the script though, you gotta copy it exactly to what it is in the input manager. So I would just copy and paste it. But remember, you need to write quotation marks, and then we make functions MovePlayer look. So MovePlayer vector move equals transform from distance move input times speed rb.velocity equals new vector 3 move x comma rb.velocity comma move.z. Then this code right here will instantiate the jumping. So if Input.GetKeyDown KeyCode.Space. So if we hit the space bar and if Physics.CheckSphere, so it creates like a little invisible sphere by our feet position, and the radius is 0.1, and it will let us jump only if the spear's on the floor more. So if you're on the floor, so you can't jump in the air, then you can the script will be available to copy, so you can check the look function out. So there we should be done. Now if we press play, we can the looks working. You can turn the sense up and everything up. Jumps working, we can't jump mid-air. Everything's working. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.